Hi guys, today we're going to talk about a quick little lesson plan for your students about inherited and behavioral traits. Everything I have is ideas from other people that I brought together. I think especially with today's world, it is important to use resources that we have. So I would start with a book or a video. The one I have isn't quite my first choice, but it's one that I really love in general, is I Took a Walk by Henry Cole. And this one's a fun one because they're able to actually open it up and search and find as well. And so with talking about traits, you could talk about how well all the animals and insects are able to hide. And then I would also suggest some that are specifically for genes. But with inherited environmental traits, the group I did was 3rd grade for Colorado, and so quick standards of being able to answer certain questions like how are characteristics of one generation related to the next, looking for those inherited traits from their parents and how that correlates and things like that. So I'll be attaching all of these worksheets together. And then I've also will link some in the YouTube videos that I like as well. And so the 3 things that I split it up to were stations. So the first station would be a little cute worksheet where the kids are able to color one type of flower and another type of flower, and then they get to decide which ones they like, bring them together to create their own type. And that would be their little kid. And then the next station I have is a really cool face, and then they're able to laminate with laminated eyes and eyebrows and noses, mouth, and get to change all of those and see how they work together to kind of just also indicate your traits are genetic or behavioral, and with the case of the face, that's genetic. And so with the behavioral side, I've got a worksheet that I found that was really cool that between instinct and behavioral, and so to create that mind to information connection, they're going to read it, cut it out, and then paste it. They can either do that working as teams or by themselves. And then the last one I have is the genetic data game. So they're able to go around the room, look at their fellow students, and check off their eye colors, their height, their hair color, their earlobes, things like that. And then answer some cool questions, and then also think about, hey, if they were going to do their own little experiment, what would they do? And so moving forward, just really quick, easy ideas for that. And you can make that as long or as short as you would like, depending on if you're going to do it in one day with the videos in the book.